Hello dear students, today we will solve a sum of problems. Okay, so you already know that main three formulas: s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, and v is equal to u plus 2as. You already know that these three formulas. Today we will solve a sum problem. The first problem: a car moving with a constant acceleration covers the distance between 2 points 180 meter apart in 6 seconds. Its speed it passes the second point is 45 meter per second. What is its acceleration and its speed at the first point? Okay, so here car moving with a constant acceleration. It means velocity value changes with respect to time, then only we get a acceleration. Covers the distance between 2 points. Okay, so 2 points. Here we consider that this one is the first point A and a second point. So this one is a B. 2 points 180 meter apart. It means the distance between these 2 points is 180 meter. Okay, so here we consider that this one is a car and it covers 180 meter. It means point A to B we consider that 180 meter. In 6 seconds, within 6 seconds, car covers 180 meter. Speed it passes the second point is 45 meter per second. Okay, so velocity of this car at the second point is, so here velocity we consider that 45 meter per second. So second point velocity 45 meter per second. Next one, what is its acceleration and its speed at the first point? So here we want to calculate acceleration and speed for first point. Okay, so 2 points in between distance 180 meter. So second point velocity of a car is 45 meter per second. And here we want to find out velocity and acceleration for first point. Okay, and the next one, so car covers 180 meter within 6 seconds. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟನ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಾರು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, ಹೌದಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರೀ? 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಇವು ಎರಡ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೀ? 180 ಮೀಟರ್. ಆ 180 ಮೀಟರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ? 6 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹೌದಾ? Next, second, its speed passes the second point. Okay, so second point ige adr velocity estadri 45 meter per second. So what is its acceleration and its speed? Adr acceleration mattu speed ya point igri? First point ige calculation madant kota. Artha aita question? Okay, so first one, given data. So given data. So first one, distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. So distance between 2 points means we consider that S is equal to 180 meter. These 2 points in between distance 180 meter. Next one, velocity at a point B. It means so this velocity we consider that a final velocity. Velocity of the car at a point B. So this velocity we consider that a final velocity. So that's one is 45 meter per second. and time taken to covers 180 meter is 6 second. Is so time taken to cover 180 meter. So that's one is t is equal to 6 seconds. Okay, so time is equal to 6 seconds. So here we want to find out the initial velocity. It means a velocity of a pointer A and acceleration. Okay, so this velocity we consider that a v2. Suppose, so second point velocity, so this one we consider that v2, and this velocity we consider that a v1. Is in first point velocity v1 and second point velocity v2. Okay, here given that second point velocity v2 is equal to 45 meter per second, then we want to find out a velocity at point A. Velocity, or here we consider that a speed, both are same. Why? Because object traveling along a straight line. Okay, so velocity of the car at point A. So that's when we consider that v1 is equal to question mark. And next one, acceleration. A is equal to question mark. Okay, so here we want to calculate a velocity v1 and acceleration A. Yes. So here we consider that formula, velocity is equal to displacement by time. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. Okay, so this velocity we consider that so first point velocity v1 and the second point velocity v2. So this reason, so here we consider that average velocity. It means so here average velocity v1 plus v2. Why? Because velocity of first point plus velocity of a second point divided by 2, then only we will find out a v1 value. v2 is already there, we want to find out a v1 value. So this reason v1 plus v2 divided by 2. So this one is average velocity. So that's why here distance divided by time t. Okay, so here velocity v1 plus v2 divided by 2 into time t is equal to S. Okay, so here we consider that formula v1 plus v2 divided by 2 into t is equal to S. Okay, so formula v1 plus v2 divided by 2. So average velocity v2 already given, we want to find out v1 value. So this reason v1 plus v2 divided by 2. So this one is average velocity into t is equal to S. Okay, so here we want to find out a v1 value as it is. v1 as it is plus v2. So v2 value 45 meter per second divided by 2 into time value. So time value 6 seconds into 6 is equal to 180. Okay, so this reason, so v1 plus 45 divided by 2, 180 divided by 6 is so 30. It means 30. Okay, so v1 plus 45 divided by 2. So cross multiplication 2 into 30. So that's one is a 60. Is so v1 is equal to 60. So minus 45. So here v1 is equal to 15 meter per second. Okay, so v1 is equal to 15 meter per second. It means the velocity of a car at a point A. So that's one is 15 meter per second. And next one, we want to calculate acceleration. So acceleration at a point A only. Why? Because what is its acceleration and its speed at the first point? Okay, so velocity v1 is equal to 15 meter per second. Next one, acceleration A is equal to, so final velocity minus initial velocity. So final velocity, it means the velocity of a point B, initial velocity of a point A. So this reason v2 minus v1 divided by, so time t. Yes, so v2 means acceleration is equal to v2 value 45 minus v1 15 meter per second divided by 6. So this reason, so 30 divided by 6. So 30 divided by 6 means 5. Yes, so this reason 5 meter per second square. So this one is the acceleration of a particle at a first point. Okay. So next problem. Okay, so our next question. A car moving with a speed of 50 km per hour can be stopped by brakes after at least 6 meter if the same car is moving at a speed of 100 km per hour. The minimum stopping distance is. It means a car moving with the speed is 50 km per hour. Andre, so this one we consider that a car and its a speed is equal to 50 km per hour. Okay, can be stopped by brakes. Okay, when driver applies the brake, then what happens? So this car stopped after covering 6 meter. Yes, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನ್ರಿ, ಆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 6 ಮೀಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗತ್ರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೊಂಟ್ರಿ ಕಾರು? 50 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 6 meter. So this 6 meter we consider that a distance S1. Okay, so this one is a speed V1. Next one, if the same car is moving at a speed of 100 km per hour, the minimum stopping distance is. So same car moving with a speed 100 meter per second. So driver wants to stop the car. So this reason the driver applies the brake. Okay. So when driver applies the brake, so car covers a particular distance. Afterwards it comes to rest position. Yes, when driver applies the brake, it comes to rest position after covering some distance. So this distance we consider that S2. We want to calculate S2 value and the velocity of a car. Same car velocity. It means velocity means speed. Why? Because car moving along a straight line. So that's one is 100 kilometer per hour. So first velocity of a car 50 meter per second. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 6 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾರು ಅದೇ 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು 50 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ? 6 ಮೀಟರ್. ಯಾವಾಗ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 6 ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದೇ 100 ಹೊಂಟಾಗ ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ? ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ ರೀ? 12 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಕಾರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Why we consider that v square is equal to u square plus 2as? So here the final velocity of a car already given that so car comes to rest position. It comes to rest position means a final velocity is a 0. Final velocity is 0. Then afterwards, so here distance is there. Okay, s value is there for a first velocity is car, and acceleration. It means also here we consider that velocity, both velocity, acceleration is same. It means we don't consider that acceleration. Both are same. Okay. And initial velocity. So first body velocity 50 km/s and second car velocity 100 km/s. So this reason modify this formula. So here 2as is equal to u square minus 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Yes, so 2as has it is v square minus u square. Okay, so here acceleration A is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2s. A is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2s. Okay, both having a same acceleration. So this reason here we just a comparison between these two velocity and these two distance. Okay, so this reason v square, it means a velocity of a car. So this is a car velocity minus initial velocity. So this one is a final velocity and this one is initial velocity divided by 2s1. So this is a car distance. So this one covered by the distance is equal to, and a second car, so speed, it means a velocity v square minus u square divided by 2 into s2. Yes, so this reason here the final velocity of a car, final velocity means 0. Why? Because it comes to rest position. So this car covers 6 meter. Afterwards it comes to rest position. It means a velocity, final velocity 0 minus 50 square 0 minus 50 square divided by 2 into, so distance, first distance 6 is equal to, and here v square. So v square means final velocity of this car comes to rest position, is, so final velocity is 0. So this reason, so 0 minus initial velocity, so 100 km/h. So 100 km/h, it means 100 whole square divided by 2 into s2. Yes, so we want to calculate this s2 value. So this reason here 0 minus 50 whole square, 0 minus 50 whole square. So 50 square means 2500 divided by, so here 2 get cancelled. So 2 get cancelled. Okay, divided by 6 is equal to 100 square. It means 10,000 divided by s2. 0 zeros get cancelled. So here 1 and 4 s So S2 is equal to 4 into 6. So this reason S2 is equal to 24 meter. S2 is equal to 24 meter. It means after 24 meter, so this car comes to rest position. So car ಯಾವಾಗ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತ್ರಿ? ಯಾವ ಕಾರು 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಹೊಂಟ ಕಾರು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ 24 meter, after covering a 24 meter, then it comes to rest position. It means it comes to rest position by distance, covered by distance is 24 meter. Okay, so our next problem, a car moving along a straight highway with a speed of 126 kilometer per hour is brought to a stop within a distance of 200 meter. What is the retardation of the car assumed uniform, and how long does it take for the car to stop? Okay, so this one is a question. A car moving along a straight highway. It's moving along a straight highway. A speed of 126 kilometer per hour. It means a car speed 126 kilometer per hour. Car speed is 126 kilometer per hour. Is brought to a stop within a distance of 200 meter. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ವಿತಿನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 200 ಮೀಟರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಟಾರ್ಡೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್? ಸೊ ರಿಟಾರ್ಡೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್. ಸೊ ರಿಟಾರ್ಡೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲರೇಷನ್. It means a rate of decrease in a velocity. So that's when we consider that a retardation. It means a negative acceleration. Okay. And how long does it take for the car to stop? How long? So how long means so here we don't consider that a distance. Illi how long does it take for the car to stop? Illi how long? It means we don't consider that a distance. Here we consider that a time interval. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮ್. ಹೌ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತೋತು. ಹೌದಾ? ಇವೆರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, car moving along a straight highway with a speed of 126 km per hour. Okay, so here first one, velocity of the car. So velocity of the car, so v is equal to, so how much? 126 km per hour. 126 kilometer per hour. Okay, so generally SI unit. So SI unit, it is in a MKS system. Yes. So this reason, so here, so velocity given in a kilometer per second. ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ್ರಿ kilometer per second. Okay. So this velocity converted to meter per second. ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ರಿ meter per second. Why? Because acceleration meter per second square. So this reason, so this velocity converted to meter per second. So how to convert? Okay, so here 126 kilo means 10 power 3. Yes, it means 10 power 3 means 1000 divided by, so hour converted to second. So 1 hour means 60 minute, 1 minute means 60 seconds. So this reason here 60 into 60, it means 60 into 60, 3000 600. Okay, so this reason, so after simplification, so 0 0 and 0 0 and 126 into 10 divided by 6 into 6, 36. It means we get 35 meter per second. Okay, so velocity 126 kilometer per hour, it is converted to MKS system. It means 36 meter per second. So this one is a velocity of a car. 35 meter per second. So this one is a velocity of a car. Next one is brought to stop within a distance of 200 meter. It's brought to stop. Stop means a final velocity 0. Yes. So this one we consider that initial velocity. It means here we consider that u. Okay. So final velocity of the car. So final velocity we consider that as 0. Why? Because it comes to rest position. It means u is equal to 0. Next one, stop within a distance of 200 meter. It means a distance covered by the car before a stop. Distance covered by the car before to stop. S is equal to 200 meter. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರೋಕಿನ ಮೊದಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಅದು 200 meter. Why? Because so here kilometer per hour is there. So that's one is converted to meter per second. So 35 meter per second and here so distance 200 meter. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ SI ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು CGS ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ CGS ಒಳಗೆ ತೋರಿ, MKS ಒಳಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ MKS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತೋರಿ. ಒಂದು CGS ಇನ್ನೊಂದು MKS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಈಗ 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ per hour, 100 meter per hour, 100 kilometer per hour, 100 meter per hour. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 hour ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ? 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಅದೇ 1 hour ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ? ಓನ್ಲಿ 100 ಮೀಟರ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ರಿ? ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿಸುವಾಗ ಸೊ MKS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮು ಗಿವನ್ ಡಾಟಾ MKS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ ರೀ ಅಥವಾ CGS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಟ್ MKS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ SI ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ S ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 200 meter. Next one, time taken to stop the car. Why? Because how long does it take for the car to stop? Yes, so time taken to stop the car. T is equal to question mark. Another one, what is the retardation? It means a negative acceleration. Is retardation of the car. A is equal to question mark. Retardation of the car. Okay, in given data, so final velocity V is there, initial velocity u is there, and the distance s is there. So here we want to find out acceleration. It means a retardation. So which formula is applicable? So time is not given. Suppose s is equal to ut plus half at square. ಹೌದಾ. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಹೌದಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ? v square minus u square is equal to 2as. v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, so here we want to calculate acceleration. So this reason acceleration, it means 2, okay, directly, okay, 2as is equal to v square minus u square. We want to calculate acceleration. A is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2s. Yes, so acceleration A is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2s. Okay, so this reason acceleration, it means retardation A is equal to the final velocity of a car. Final velocity, it comes to rest position, it means its velocity is 0 minus u square. So u square means initial velocity. Initial velocity is a 35 meter per second. Is so 35 whole square. Why? Because u square divided by 2s. S means a distance. So that's one is a 200 meter. Is so this reason acceleration A is equal to 35. So here minus as it is, A is equal to minus 35 into 35. Why? Because 35 square divided by 2 into 200. It means finally 3.06 and minus as it is. So A is equal to minus 3.06 meter per second square. Meter per second square. So this one is a retardation value. So this negative sign indicates so acceleration value goes on decreases. So meter per second square, you already know that SI unit of acceleration. So this reason acceleration minus 3.06 meter per second square. So negative sign indicates so acceleration value goes on decreases. So that's one is a retardation. Okay. So next one, we want to find out time. Yes, time taken to stop the car. So we already know that acceleration. So acceleration value 3.06 and velocity. Initial velocity 35 meter per second. And which formula is suitable to find out the time? So that's one is acceleration A is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. We want to calculate time value. It means time t is equal to so v minus u divided by a. V minus u divided by a. Okay, so this reason, so time t, so final velocity of car 0 minus 35 divided by, so retardation value minus 3.06. okay, so minus 3.06. okay, so time value minus 35 divided by minus 3.06. okay, so 3 ones are 10, 30, 31 extra 11, 4. okay, so this reason, so time value t is equal to 11.44 seconds. So t value 11.44 seconds. okay, t is equal to 11.44 seconds. So this one is a time interval. It means so this much of a time taken to stop the car. okay, thank you.